Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to review GoHighLevel. If you're thinking about using GoHighLevel for your marketing agency or digital business, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll cover everything that you need to know about GoHighLevel, including its features, pricing, and much more to help you decide if it's worth it in 2025. But before we get started, I've got a special offer for you. Usually GoHighLevel offers you a 14-day free trial, but if you sign up through my link in the description below, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead. On top of that, you'll receive my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900, and you're going to get that for free. So don't forget to check the link in the description and claim your bonuses. Now let's dive into the video. First things first, what exactly is GoHighLevel? So if you are new to the world of digital marketing or managing client relationships, GoHighLevel might be new to you. Let me break it down for you. GoHighLevel is an all-in-one platform designed for marketing agencies and businesses to manage leads, sales, and client interactions efficiently. It offers everything from CRM to marketing automation all in one place. This makes it a powerful tool for agencies that want to simplify their workflows and scale their business. Now that we've covered what GoHighLevel is, let's dig into some of the core features. First up, we have CRM management. GoHighLevel provides a robust CRM that's not only simple to use, but also allows you to manage all of your client interactions from one dashboard. So you can track leads, manage campaigns, and even automate follow-ups. And with its easy-to-use interface, you can keep track of all of your clients' information and activities all in one place. Next, let's discuss marketing automation. So GoHighLevel is known for its powerful automation capabilities. You can set up automated email and SMS campaigns. You can schedule media posts. You can schedule social media posts and even automate client onboarding processes. Now, this saves you a ton of time and ensures consistent client engagement. Another great feature is the sales funnel builder. With GoHighLevel, you can create and manage sales funnels easily. It comes with pre-built templates or options to customize your own, which can help convert leads into customers more effectively. Plus, you can track your funnel performance and make changes to optimize your conversions. Next, let's talk about management tools. GoHighLevel allows you to create sub-accounts for clients, manage their campaigns, and provide them with white label services under your brand. Now, this is particularly useful for agencies. You can also manage team members and assign specific roles and permissions to ensure smooth collaboration within your team. Next, we have reputation management. Managing online reviews is crucial, and GoHighLevel offers tools to request, monitor, and respond to reviews from Google and other platforms directly from the dashboard. Now, this can help improve your online reputation and attract more clients. And for analytics and reporting, GoHighLevel provides detailed insights and reporting on your campaigns and sales funnels. You get insights on campaign performance, lead conversion rates, and more, helping you make data-driven decisions. Now, this level of data analysis is essential for any business to grow. Lastly, let's talk about the integrations and payments. GoHighLevel integrates with various tools like Stripe for payments, Zapier for automation, and even Google Business Profile for enhanced visibility. Now, this makes it easy to incorporate GoHighLevel into your existing workflows and systems. Now, let's get into the pricing. GoHighLevel offers two main plans, the starter plan and the unlimited plan. The agency starter account costs about $97 a month and includes basic features for small agencies with limited client management needs. It includes lead capture tools, full client nurturing capabilities, and comprehensive online booking with pipeline management. You get a social calendar, website builder, and unlimited contacts and users. The plan allows up to 3 sub-accounts for managing different clients, making it suitable for agencies just starting their journey. The Agency Unlimited account at $297 a month removes almost all restrictions. You get API access for custom integrations, unlimited sub-accounts for managing any number of clients under one price, and a branded desktop app with custom domains. Now, this plan gives you complete control over the platform's look and feel. It is perfect for established agencies that need a white label solution and extensive client management capabilities. Now, both plans come with a 14-day free trial, but here is the best part. If you signed up through my link in the description below, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead. So don't forget to check out the link in the description. Now that brings us to the question, who should use GoHighLevel? Well, GoHighLevel is really perfect if you're running a marketing agency or a business that deals with client management and wants to consolidate multiple tools into one. If you're using various platforms for CRM, email marketing, SMS, and analytics, GoHighLevel can simplify your tech stack and reduce costs. On the other hand, if you're just starting out or your marketing needs are basic, GoHighLevel might be overwhelming and expensive. For beginners, there might be more cost-effective solutions until you scale up. GoHighLevel is also ideal for those who value efficiency and want to scale operations quickly. The platform's automation and management features can help businesses handle more leads and clients without compromising on quality. So that's it for this video. I hope that you found this GoHighLevel review helpful. If you want to sign up for GoHighLevel, there's my link in the description. If you sign up for GoHighLevel using my link, you're going to get an extended 30-day free trial instead of the regular 14 days. Plus, you're going to get access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course and premium Notion templates worth over $900 for free. So make sure that you use my link in the description to get started with GoHighLevel today. So if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.